Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Tuesday. What is it? January. Oh, what is it? First, fifth, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. January 6th. January 5th. Yeah, I think it's January 5th. Had to think about it. What a nice day, though. A little cool. It's kind of like, well, not really cool. It's 70 degrees, but the air feels a little cooler. Out on the Spyder today. There, people lost their furniture. They just leave it there. Or they dumped it there. I see Christmas trees dumped along sides of the roads now. And people suck. Some people suck, man. They take their trash and they get on a country road and they just toss it. You know, TVs, monitors, they just toss it. These people suck. I see mattresses, furniture, all dumped alongside the road. They just ought to take DNA and just fine these people thousands of dollars. Just trashy people everywhere, I guess. Makes me angry. The new year, God, I hope we get I hope that COVID vaccine's out, released to the normal public pretty soon. I know the healthcare workers got them. My nephew got one because he's a surgeon, so he got his a while ago. So hopefully it's available to everyone. We can just end this chaos. I saw gas prices went way up. $1.95. It was $1.49 before Christmas. What the heck is going on? But those are people that do that, and people just raise them up. Not everybody raises them up, so then they have to bring them back down. They're just price gouging. Bah. Well, there's some pretty nice homes up here on this little county road. I live in Leander, and the homes here are really expensive now. Even my house is it's been paid for years, but it's gonna sell it next year, and it's worth a lot more than we ever paid for it. And we added on and remodeled and all that stuff, but it's worth about half of what the one we're building is, so that's gonna help a lot. Once we sell it, we won't have a mortgage when I move either. Well, we will for a little while until our house sells. See, these homes out here are pretty nice though, but they're really expensive because it's in the same area I'm at, so the tax rates are through the roof. I think we're paying like 22%. Or, I'm sorry, 2.1%. And where I'm building is 1.67, so it's a little lower. And it's a nicer area. There's a cool house there, different. Don't know if I want to live in this one up here. It's right next to a cemetery. Not that I'm superstitious, but it just seems kind of weird. Nice house though. A nice little cemetery. Looks like it got some really, really old ones in there too. It's a little low water crossing right up here. I'm crossing this either the north, I think it's the North San Gabriel River. I think this runs into the Georgetown Lake. Look at the cactus. A little campground there. Yeah, this is pretty right down here. A little bridge, a little low water crossing bridge. The water's pretty here because all the water's on rock. Taking my picture. Shooting a video of me going across the bridge. That's pretty funny. I guess they haven't seen a spider before. Bah. This is a nice little neighborhood. This is very similar to the one we're building in, where there's just like 3 streets. This one's just got 2 streets actually, but it's a very similar. We've got a little bit longer streets, but there are 2 cul-de-sacs on each end of the street, and then 1 crossroad, and then some more. But it's very similar to this. I think we have a little bit more property. Maybe not. We have 1.8. Not quite 2 acres, so these are probably a little smaller. But we got the same type of mailboxes, kind of match the house. A pretty neighborhood though. I like how they're on a hill. That's kind of nice. Ours, I'm not on a hill. Got a lot more trees too. I do. Not all of them do, but building one right there. Yeah, they don't have big lots. Probably not even an acre. Bah. Well, here's Andice General Store. I came out here yesterday to grab a couple of burgers to go, and I actually think they're closed. Kind of sucks. I mean, it looks empty. Well, no, there's still racks there, but I don't know why it says wear a mask, and their hours are 11 to 6:45 Monday through Saturday, but they're never open. That's crazy. The door's locked. They haven't been opening this year yet, so I'm hoping they're not out of business. Got good burgers. Always fun to ride out here and get a big old bacon cheeseburger. Bummer. Bye.